Gonna be our new YouTube star? Chili. Mom. Look. Okay.
She's getting a bit of a bite to her now.
Yeah, I know.